Hello everyone, and welcome back to Honest Try TV. This is Jason, and today we're going to review this power washer my mother-in-law purchased off of QVC. I believe she got it somewhere between $129 or $139, and the power washer is an electrical one, and it's by Sun Joe. Model number is SPX2004 GRY. All right, so I did an unboxing already, and I put it together, as you can see here. But I can show you. It was packaged quite well, and had all these had bubble wrap all around it. Just really well put together, and it had this very informational manual. This actually showed you the step-by-step instructions on how to put it together, how to operate it. Very good information. I was able to assemble it very quickly. I only needed a screwdriver, and the other pieces snapped right in. I can show you what I use a screwdriver for. It only came with 4 screws, so it's very, very simple. There you go. So let me show you on the machine what I actually use the screws on. So, coming over here, I use 2 of the screws to screw this gray plastic piece here. You can see one screw there, and on the other side is the other screw right there. The other 2 screws were used to hold this handle here. The screws right there, and the other screw there. And that's all. I used the Phillips. Very nice and easy, simple, and it was done. The other 2 pieces here on the side, this was a snap-in, and this was a snap-in over here. Now, in the manual book here, it actually says, or displays, it shows that the gun can be held here with this holster that it has here, side holster, but it can't, because if it has this little nozzle, the head nozzle here, it won't fit. Let me give you an example. So here's the handle gun with the nozzle already attached to it. If you try to put it in, it does not fit in any manner. I did get it to fit with the nozzle off, and then you connect the nozzle while it's in the harness, but then you won't be able to pull it out, it gets stuck. So what we've decided to do, since that harness is basically useless, we are putting it back here where it can be held. The other accessories they came with was the water adapter here to connect your hose to, and also I believe it came with 3 other head nozzles. Let me check real quickly. Yes, it did. Here's one of them right there. Here's attached to the handgun. Here's the other one. Has like an L, like a L shape. And here's the other one. Looks very similar to the first one. Let's get that out so it's easier to see. So I'll test out all these different heads so we can see how it looks like, and demo it all. Let's do a 360 on the actual electrical power washer. Sun Joe. Has the on and off button right there, switch. The hose connects directly to the rear and the bottom of the gun. They're very easy, just righty-tighty, and it was good to go. A very long electrical cord, as you can see. Alright, so now, this is the, we're gonna power wash this patio deck here. We're gonna move everything, and I'll show you the process of how it actually works. We're actually gonna power wash the carpet too. You can see that the kitty cats have been all around here. It's fairly dirty. So we're gonna power wash and see how much of it all comes out. And also test out the different nozzles. Alright, be right back. Alright, we're back. We're able to clean up the porch here. Just got the carpet with some of the wood accessories there, the seatings. And I'm going to power wash all of this with the power wash. Hey, look, there's badness. Just chilling there. And I was able to get the hose right there. I'm going to connect it. And let's put it together. Alright. Why isn't this going in? Oh, it has to go this way. Messed up. There we go. Okay, you got it connected. And put the other end into the power washer. Actually, maybe I should have put the power washer in first. There we go. Okay, now hose end. Come on. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to turn it on. Just hopefully no water comes out on this test. Alright. Okay. Alright, looks good. No water drippage that I can see. So we're going to go ahead and plug in into an outlet and give it a test go. Alright, we got the power connected to the outlet there. We got the hose not leaking. Sounds good. Now we're going to turn it on. Alright, let's give it a test go. Alright, we got the handle, nozzle. We're going to give the first shot. It has even a safety mode on there. You see that? It's nice. It's locked. Now it's unlocked. We're going to shoot. Alright, not bad. That's without any of the nozzles. Now let's see with one or the three of the nozzles. First nozzle. Looks like a straight shot, power shot. And alright, so you clip down and turn. Nice and tight. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's see how it looks like. So it looks like it's like the mist kind, the kind you use to like wash a car or something. That's what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna pop it out now and get the other nozzle, test it out. Pop it out, you gotta do is push the little gray button, hold it, and pops right out. Nice and simple. Alright, second head nozzle it looks like an L. Something probably you could use like on trying to take out the leaves out of a gutter or something. Let's connect that bad boy. Alright. Nice and good to go. It's aiming downwards, so let's see. If it's aiming downwards. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Alright, let's test out the other one. So this one has like a little two-way splitter inside of it. It's a little thicker than the first one. Let's see how it goes. Oh, so you gotta line that little nick right there with the inside right there. See? So, boom. Okay, there it's in. So let's see how it goes. So it's super misty. How about if we turn it the other way? Let's see what that looks like. Oh, look at that. So if we turn it the other way, so a straight shot. All right. Well, now we know how to use this guy. Oh, see, it opens and closes it when you tighter. Got it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and wash out the entire deck here. All right, to wash the entire thing, I'm gonna maintain the one that you could adjust the power to right there. I'm gonna keep it on the sharpest power and try to wash as much as possible off. Okay, here I go. So a good example of the power could be of the clean. You see how it's right there, got the green and the dark dirtness on them. I'm going to show you how it's cleaning it all out. Alright, that's nice and powerful. It took off all that green gunk and it washed off most of the dirt, the dark spots there. It even chipped some of the paint off. Alright, I'm going to continue on with the deck now, okay? Alright, so we got the carpet done and most of the railings down here. You see? It actually worked out quite well. Cleaned up most of it. The chairs here cleaned it up very well. It actually started taking off some of the paint, as you can see. So this thing's gonna have to get recoated, repainted. But the cats scratch all up on it. It's their own personal scratching post. So now we're gonna clean up this corner here with this bench. You see it still hasn't been touched yet. It's fairly dirty. And then after this we'll do the steps. The steps actually have a lot of like green moss growing, or it looks like that, but we'll get to that in a sec. Alright, well, let's say that did a good job. It even cleared us with the paint. That's how great it did of a job. So we finished off the stairs here. And they look pretty good. So you can see even the linings that the power washer did on the wood there. All right there. The railings look good. Some paint got chipped, but it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Much cleaner than what they were. that's for sure. So there we go. So we were reviewing the Sun Joe model number SPX2004 GRY gray, or color platinum. And yeah, for its small little size and the small little package that QVC offered, did a good job. Again, I believe my mother-in-law believes she said it was $129 or $139, and it does its job. The only one issue that I do wish they would have fixed or get better at for next time would be the holster here for the gun. You can't put it in directly. It has to be. It's not large enough. Again, for example, like that, it would stay, but it doesn't stay up like in the manual where it's all the way through and clipping on to right there. But yeah, that's the only thing I would say. Overall though, it does the job. It works pretty good. Easy plug and play. So yeah, if you like this, that's it. So if you like this type of reviews, please like and subscribe, comment below for any further suggestions. All right, thanks everyone. This is Jason again with Honest Ride TV. Bye.